Okay, good luck, Boatings. Let's go, Professor. Last shot. 2 points. Jersey 2 points. Jersey number 4. Otherwise, pass number 4. 76 McCoy. Miss. Wow. 76. First foul. Number 76. Basket number 26, go, palap, 2 points. Mariano. Oy, pinasok sa labas. Inside passing number 26. Lisa. Black. Shot at will. Uy, open. Walang bantay yun. Yun, nakawala foul. Foul number 1. First personal foul, Santos. Hey, there's no good. 3 points. Yes. Airball. Yun, pinagod sa labas. Shot ng 14. 3 points. Airball again. Ay, nakuha ang 2 points. Starting for the game, number 26, DSA. Aldo, 22. Oh yes, ang pata. Turnover. Stop. Teka, hanggang nakatawag mo na pag-grabe. Ito out. Perez. 22, 3 points. Miss. Number 3. Take shoot. 2 points. Number 1. 35. Okay. Ready, score. 26. Raise up, left-handed. Limpis lang, sayang. Maswaldo. Raise up, miss. 22. Miss again. Nakatuwa sa paa. Inside pass na rating. Wala. Without Perez. Four. Inside pass. Turnover. Number 1, Santos. Sinusikitan. Ako. Pagkaka na. Ayun na. Sinasabi ko na yun. Tumas dribble. Number 4. Foul. Number 7. Second personal foul. Substitution. Sige, sab. Sige, pasok. May tawag ka lang. Pasok ka sa 3. Out na. 7 out. 1 out. 10 in. Set. Sige natin. That's it. Uy, tama sa ball. Ayan na siya ito. Ayan na si Rio. Ayan. Ng DSA. Number 33. Corona. Lisa. Miss. Kung sa tira, nagulang. Wala na rin. Nawala ang ball. Sorry na. Si Perez. Lisa. Stop list na rin. Ayan ang tayo na ito. Lumayat! Wala pa rin! 22 again! Aldo! Hold the pass na rin! Still in DSA! Puro mintes! Puro still! Nangyari! 3 point! Ako, malakas! Wala silang! Yan! Ay, still na naman! 0! Raise up! 2 point! Sinutin. Number 18. Pass to number 22. 10. 26. 23. Take. Inside pass to number 18. 2 points. Basic lang. Number 10, Asilo. Pass to number 17. Ako. Good na din. Nawala na rin ba? Nawala foul. Sa 0. Ah, 10. 10 pala. Penalty. 5 foul.
Sorry.
22 seconds.
If you're
22.
watching this, can you please move your body? Thank you.
Yun, like this. Oh, kumaya sa'yo. Nangyari. Number 10. Ang satas number 18. Naku, parang kalipat naman, ha? dribbles. Pass to number 29. Oy, tumakas to. Long pass to number 33. Lays up. 2 points. Ibang pass na sa buhay. Perez. Pass to number 26. Natapkan. Albo. 2-point attempt. Miss. Rebound DSA. Quinteros. Pass to number 26. Rio. Ano na rin? Check. 29 foul. First foul. First team foul. Yun na. Lupit lang. Yun na, kabalan. Ay, ang galing mo. Ay mo. 2 points. Yun, ako na ano. Ano? Lays up. Europe, sayang. Lastas ang pula. Kaya siguro, namimili mo. Number 22. Siguro yung nakalian nun. Ayan, sa dribble team. Nakakuha na ba? 22. First foul. First team foul. Three-point hand. Good, diretso! Wala foul. Foul number 26. First foul. Second foul. First attempt. 19. Bet. Second attempt. Miss again. Out of bounds. Yun, number 26. Pass to Perez. Albo rebound. Miss. Long rebound 26. Ang ganda ng pasa. Wala lang. Nabalot. Ang 26. Kumalaman agad. Diretso lang. Pinaras. Nakuha. Nakakuha. Nakakuha ng foul. Foul number 22 Albo. Substitution. Sub. That's foul number 22, Anto. First personal foul. Seven. Inside pass to the line. Nangyari. Hindi lang. Foul number 12. And the first foul. One more penalty. Oh, ang ganda naman doon. Parang nagkaka lang. Parang nagkaka. 89. To go. Oh, klase mo na. Nakakuha ang 26. Lays up. Miss. Rebound Dese. Pass to number 1. Number 1. 26. 23. Lays up. To go. Ganda tayo, boss. Aldo, long pass to number 29. 22, Alwaget. Inside pass number 10. Miss. Rebound, PSA. Good. Ulit. Dumulas. Number 7. Lays up. 2 points. Long three. Bang. Pass to number 22. Lays up. Nako, ayun. Sabi ko siya, time out. Last shot. 148. Score is number 7, pass number 22. Sayang. Libre. Natakit. Nakakuha ng 26. Sumalagsak na istilan. Nakakuha ulit. Pass to number 26. Ako na. Sige sa likod. Number 4. Right step. Miss. Rebound. Nakagawa na siya. Then, nagagawa na ko. Pinasa sa nalaban. Number 1. Pass to 22. 26. Play 3 point. Miss. Rebound. PSA. 22. 10 minutes pa rin. Nangyari. DSA basketball. DSA. 40 seconds. 10 to shoot. Ready. Long pass. To number. Time to shoot. Wala. Nakuha ng Jesse. Wala pa rin. Pinalo. Wala pa rin. Nakarating. Yun. Nakagawan. Last shot. 5 seconds. End of the second period. Steal number 4. Number 4. Wala na box.
Bawi, bawi, Jo.
Foul jersey number 4. Number 4, first personal foul, first personal foul. Number 18. Pass to number 26. Number 26 to one. Jersey number 26. Pass to number 0. Jersey number 1. There's the rebound. Foul jersey number 22. Second personal foul. First team foul.
Asma, asma.
Number 0. Pass to number 26. Rebound jersey number 22. Team. Number 26. Rebound. Foul jersey number 33. First personal, second team foul. Foul jersey number 33. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Shot clock 14. Rebound number 26. Morgan. Rebound jersey number 76.
Where they play? I don't know. Not it is a lot. Ask them. Wait.
Number 0. Lafayette basketball substitute. Number 1. Number 22. Number 26. Pass to number 4. Foul jersey number 26. First personal warning for penalty. 2 shots for jersey number 4. Ladies and gentlemen. Number 26. 2 points, number 26. Jersey number 0, pass to number 4. Number 21. Rebound jersey number 18. Number 10.
Go, Liam!
2 points, number 10. Jersey number 26. Wala ka bounce. Time out! Number 26. Number 18. Number 12. Number 12. Number 17. Number 55. 10 to shoot. 2 points. There's number 29. Number 1, pass to number 18 to number 10. 25. Foul jersey number 1. South left side. Number 2. Pass to number 1. Block. Two points, number 7. Number 3. Number 29. Rebound jersey number 1. Pass to number 10. Number 3. Rebound jersey number 10. Jersey number 22.
Ano ba yan?
Number 12. 2 points. Number 12. Still number 29. Rebound number 1. Pass to number 10. Two points. Number 7.
Good one, David.
Every time 2 minutes and 19 seconds. Number 25. Block.
Run!
Number 22. Pass to number 1. Block. South left side. Number 22. Foul jersey number 1. And start it.
Run!
Then 1 and 3 seconds. Seconds. 10 to shoot. 3 seconds early, 40 seconds. 3 seconds. Number 26.
Good one! Ay!
10 seconds. All jersey number 1. Jersey number 1. Fourth personal foul. Last 8 seconds.
Who? Andre?
Remember, last 8 seconds. 5 seconds. 2 points. Okay. Number 0. Number 26. Second personal, first team foul. 2 shots for jersey number 4. Number 22. So number 26. Buenos. DSA. Number 14. 10 to shoot. Number 7. 3 more. Number 26. This is version number 24. He's number 0. Back to number 22. Rebound number 7. Number 46. Still. Yep.
Go high! Go hard! Good.
Number 7. Number 26.
Yeah!
Number 18. Number 18. Number 4 to number 26. Number 22. Number 26. Back to number 4. Back to number 26 to number 22.
Ano yan?
Last shot. Basketball. Last shot basketball. Rebound number 26. Bola naman. Number 22.
Ay!
Number 18. Number 26. 2 points. Number 26. Number 4, pass to number 0. Number 22. Number 22. Number 0. Number 33, pass to number 7. Number 22, right? 2 points. Time out. Last shot.
His face never gets like
Number
that.
26. So the number 4. Goes in the front leg. Number 22. Number 10, 5 minutes. Goes in the front leg. Number 3. Rebound goes to number 22. To number 18. Jersey number 1. Number 26. To number 4. Number 26. Number 22. Number 10. Number 18. Number 1.
Andrew! What the fuck?
Second personal, second defense. Ball goes to number 22. When we come to Innocent 12 seconds. The ball. Stop, Black, stop. Stop. Number 22, number 26. Number 1. And to shoot. 22. Number 26. Number 1. Still. Timeout. DSA. Number 6 to number 18. Time 46 seconds. Foul jersey number 26. Second personal, first team foul.
Bro.
4 seconds in the time.
Henry! Nice one, Aiden.
Jersey number 4. Second personal, second team foul substitution. They will take 1 minute and 9 seconds. Number 6. Number 22. Number 22, Germany. Last 1 minute.
This guy's fast, man.
Last 50 seconds. Take the shoot. Still. Two points. Timeout. USA. Last 37 seconds. Front court, inbound, 14-second shot clock. Take the shoot. Still. 30 seconds.
What is guys?
Foul jersey number 18. Warning for penalty. 26 seconds. Timeout. Last shot, no more timeout. DSA, one last timeout. Steals. Foul jersey number 3. Last 21 seconds.